guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to record a quick get ready with me / hair and makeup tutorial, just to update you guys on the new products that I'm using, as well as the new techniques that I've learned to do not only my hair but my makeup. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys real soon. So I have already moisturized my hair so far with Kira Care Natural Textures leave-in conditioner. I love this so much because it makes my hair feel amazing. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do next is that I'm gonna just get my brush and just brush around my hair so that it's nice and smooth, to kind of get it in a bun. Like that, and then do that so you can still see your little finger through there, and then you just take it out, and then with the extra pieces of hair that are sticking out, you just like so. Yeah, after this step you can get like bobby pins and like actually like pin down the hair like from where it is, like you could pin this down and stuff, but I don't usually do that. I just feel like when my hair's like this, it's just, it feels secure when it's like this already, so I don't really do too much. So yeah, the next step you want to do is just to like tidy up around your hair, so nice and neat. You could even do it in the back as well, but what I don't like to do is I don't really like to put a lot of gel in the back of my hair. What I'd rather do is I'd rather put like mousse or something, just something that can give it like a softer hold, because I don't like the feeling of having like the back of my hair just like pulling, and it's like very annoying. So then I just take a little bit of mousse, rub my hands together, and then just place it on the hair. And don't worry if it's like white, because it's gonna like, when the mousse like dissolves or whatever, it's gonna turn clear, so you don't gotta worry about that. And then you just, I put it in the back of my hair, and I just get my brush again to smooth it out like that. And yep, and we're basically done with the hair. Just make the bun a little bit neater, and then I just kind of like brush them down. Like, don't really be doing too much, but enough just to like get it. Like, what you can do in the meantime, like while you do your makeup, is just like tie it. So I like turn it over, and then I put the head tie on, and then I just tie it just to keep it nice and neat, like this. Okay guys, now moving on to makeup. I'm just gonna do something really simple but like really elegant today. To do my brows first, because you guys know I do my eyebrows first, right? So just take this Sleek liner in the shade Molasses. And I'm gonna use it as an eyebrow thing because I really like the shade that it is. I was like, the color just goes like really nice. You guys can see in a second. Before I do anything with that, I like to take my iconic brow gel, and I really love this because it just keeps my eyebrow hairs like in place. So yeah, just get your eyebrow or any eyebrow product that you want to use on your eyebrows, and then you just start to trace your natural eyebrow. And then while you do that, you can just like with your other spoolie just like blend the product through. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm going to quickly put it on the back of my hand. Like that. And then you could use that LA Girl brush on it, or you could use your own. But do that. Go over with any eyebrow product that I want, just to like fill it in a little bit more. Beauty Blender sponge. Now this has already been washed and stuff, so it's dried, but it's still puffy, which is good. So I don't mind using like this, but usually I'd make it damp. But yeah, it's good enough for me. I'm just gonna just. If you notice, these brows took like 5 minutes to do, less than 5 minutes to do. That's what I like about these products, like they're easy to just do a quick look with and still be bomb as hell. Do you like them? Ooh. Next I'm going to take my Sleek eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is the name of the eyeshadow palette, Bbyjewelx. It's got really nice colours on here. This brush here I got from a Makeup Revolution palette, and I've just loved it so much. I'm going to take this, I'm going with this nice purple, you know, this nice purplish shade. I'm going to just put that colour on the end of the lid. And the brush just makes everything so much more easier. Nice and simple. And the same on the other side. Try to keep it neat. I'm going to go in with this blue right here. And now what we're going to do is get the other side of the brush, the flat side. I'm going to dip that into this shade right here. The Sleek Dip It eyeliner. Get a wipe right now and then just clean up. Clean up. Now we can move on to the face. I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC45. I like when the foundation is a little bit more earthy to my actual skin tone than to have like one that is either the exact same skin tone, then when I put the highlighter on it's too much and then da-da-da. So I like foundations that have like a nice tone to it. Same flat concealer brush. I'm going to dip it into my foundation.
Well, I'm sleeping here.
Yeah, Mom, I'm done. Mom, 5 minutes. And then now you can take off the head tie, because I don't like it when I be doing my makeup and then I take it off the head tie. I'm taking off the head tie and then the head tie just like made the line come, and it's like so annoying. So I just cover up any remaining curling buns you have of yourself. Cover that up. That brush. Then back again with this. Blend it out. I've also started using this, guys. Must mention that real quick. I mean, I was skeptical in the beginning because I'm like, how is a piece of plastic meant to help makeup? But the way, it's not even like the material, it's like how it works with wet products, you know, like. But let me know if you guys want to see me using that in a video or tutorial one time, if you want. I'm gonna take this Maybelline Concealer in the shade 30 and then just like place that underneath my eyes just to highlight. And I know it looks a bit like whoa, but trust me, when I blend this out, so now that that's blended out, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix powder like that, and I'm gonna take my tapered, well, I don't know what that word even means, but this brush here that looks like it's taper like, and I'm just gonna like put that into that and set my concealer with it, because I always like the way that this powder just like brings down the highlighter that I use while setting it at the same time, giving it like a really nice flawless finish. My Sleek, what's it called again? Contour and highlighter palette. Yeah, this is how I like to contour. I don't really do too much of like liquid contour and stuff, but I will use a powder contour because I just feel like it makes everything just look so much more natural. And this brush is kind of like angled as well. And the reason I've been gone for so long, guys, is because my phone screen is broken and I don't have the time right now to fix that. But it's like it's broken like near the camera. The camera can still work but not as nice. That's why I'm like, do you know what I'm saying, not really putting out as much content and that as I probably used to. But nevertheless. And then guys, I'm gonna take this. Then I'm gonna get this Remmel London OhMyGloss in the shade Master Pink. I'm gonna put that on my lip because who doesn't like a nice pink lip, you know? So that's the lips. And I look a little bit weird, but that's because I don't have eyelashes on. These Grwm lashes, so beautiful. I love these lashes so much, and I'm gonna show you why. By Masters of Mink Boutique, they sent these to me, and these lashes are so beautiful. Look how wonderful, and just ooh la la. I'll put the other one on. Oh guys, I forgot to contour my nose. This is why I be telling you guys, like I legit be forgetting about that step. I don't even know why. Like, that should be like the most, that should be one of the first steps to contouring your nose. But I just be forgetting sometimes. Okay, now I'm gonna do my nose, okay? And just dip that into the Sleek palette. Rub it a little bit of the excess out of my hand here. And then just lightly bring out the shape of my nose. Yeah. So I contoured. Then quickly, just real quick, I'm gonna grab the blush. This is my favorite blush, guys. This Burnt Pepper by MAC. I think it's worth it. Because the shade of this blush is just so beautiful. Ready? Again, one of my favorite highlighters by 17. This highlight was only about £3, 3 buckaroos. And I'm so impressed with it because it's just been my rider. It's just always come out banging, you know? So let me show you guys what I mean. So I just usually like to just put it in these two the most. This one I put on my nose, this one I put like on my cheeks, but these two here. Right here. Where? Just get my finger. And yeah. And that was a quick as hell makeup tutorial because you guys have been asking me where you been, where you been, where you been, where you been. I need to explain it to you guys, like my phone just be bugging, okay? But it's gonna get fixed real soon, okay? I promise.